Flashbacks Garage, and this is something you don't see here. Outside temp is 32.8 degrees Celsius. This is the highest for this summer, and this is very unusual. But from that reading to the car building, and my next job is to continue sanding the car. I start sanding the doors and the front fenders, so that's my next mission. And I had a pretty scary start for today. I just ran into that light fixture and it fell right over here and left few marks to the paint primer. So I hope that I'm able to sand those out. So this is what's happening here, and let's start sanding. I guess soon we will get water. The wind is picking up. The trees are moving a little bit more every second, and now I feel a breeze. So, okay, it's raining now, and it's thundering quite a bit. Whoa, did you see that? Okay, I saw a couple of bumps in the roof that I couldn't live with, so I decided to scuff them, and I'm going to do little repairs. Also, in the door here is few low spots that I thought that it's better to repair them, so that I'm pleased with the end result. Yeah, okay, there's filler in those places, and it's quite fast drying, 15 minutes. I used that kind of a super soft filling. So next thing to do is to wait them to dry, and maybe take a beer and sand those down, and call it a quits for today, and come back tomorrow and sand the other doors, which I have a little bit started from the back door here, and then this other side, but then I have a little bit of priming to do. I primed those spots there, and there's a little spots, and I noticed that I went through in a trunk lid, so I need to prime that, and also this little thing over here, but nothing major. So little setback, but I think I'll be more pleased when I don't have bumps in my newly painted fresh paint. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Okay, I couldn't help myself after filling those spots that I found, and after I sanded, I thought that what the heck, I'm going to spray the primer today, and that I did. I found one spot that I had went to the edge primer over there, so I thought I sprayed that too, and there's the one, and there's the other, and then I found a little bit in the rocker panel, so I painted that. Then there was this one, it's now primed, and here was one little, so I did that. The trunk lid is painted to the corners, both side, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm very pleased at the result. I started where was the filler spot. I started spraying a little bit wider. Why don't you focus? Focus on me. Focus. Okay. I started a little bit wider. The second coat a little bit wider again, and the third coat is what you can see there. So that's pretty much it for today. Okay, see you soon.